Hey, what's up guys? I get a lot of people asking me how much do you make off YouTube? How much will you make for a certain amount of views? When I go out, people will ask me. So I'm like, why not make a video about it? In this video, I'll show you how much I've made. I used to have a channel that had 55,000 subscribers. And in high school, that's all I did in grade 12 was make videos. I think I ended up having around like 12 million views. I made about $8,000 off that, but that channel is gone. So I have this channel, and now I'll show you how much I've made. I think I have 3.7 million views, and then I'll show you how much I've made. And then I'll also show you the difference. I have a video that I had about 600,000 views, made a lot of money, and then I had a video that had 1 million views and didn't make as much. And I'll show you guys the difference, basically about the interactions on the video, and one unrecommended, and that's why it blew up. But yeah guys, let's get right into it. So yeah guys, if we go on my channel, I have 3.7 million views on there. And for that, I have $339,000 I've made off that. And then if we go over here, it'll show all the videos I have down here. And then it'll show how much I made per video. And like as I was saying, over here, this video has 609,000 views, or 607,000 views. And it made $1,168, which is pretty good for that. That's basically like almost like $1.60 or $1.70 per 1,000 views, which is actually really, really good on YouTube. And then I also have another video that has, let's go down here, and I'll have another video that has, I think, 1 point something million. This video has 1.1 million views, and it only got $734, which is still decent. What, about like 70 cents per 1,000 views, which isn't too bad. But yeah guys, basically it varies. And yeah guys, that's pretty much showing you how much I've made off these videos and how much you can make also. So yeah guys, that's basically how much I've made off YouTube. Yeah guys, if you don't mind throwing a like on this video, and please rate, comment, and subscribe. Let's see how much views this video could get, and we'll see how much we make off this video and see if it hits recommended. If it hits recommended, I think the ads will be a lot better. And yeah guys, that's basically it. If you guys have any other questions, leave a comment below and I'll be glad to answer them. Yeah, that's it guys. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.